In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how we can install and then apply iOS launcher on this REALME. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, select Allow and while using in all pop-ups, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then you need to access Settings. Over here, scroll down and click on Apps section. Then you need to click on Default Apps over here, select Home one, and tap on iOS launcher in order to apply it. Lastly, tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my REALME. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and clicking on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!